Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm going to be going over my first Ohio order that was just granted. So if you're interested in working in the Northern District of Ohio, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning into my channel. So as I mentioned, this particular video, I'm talking a little bit about the Northern District of Ohio. This is for my first order that I got in this district. I received it and I wanted to just come on and just talk a little bit about what it was like to work in that particular district. So far the Midwest appears to be pretty smooth and easy to work in. The Western District of Missouri was similar to this district, where the documents were easy to find. Everything was really easy to locate. I was able to send everything to the court's office, and I didn't have to follow up at all. I sent these documents on March the 1st, and here it is, March the 16th, there's an order already granting my petition. So that means the funds will basically come soon, and no other issues, which is nice. I like working in the Midwest so far, and I will continue to probably work in this district as well. I didn't have any problems at all. What is interesting about this particular district, and this is why I do these deals in these, different states, because I'm showing you that it can be done, and two, that, what it's like, whether I need to caution you, like in Massachusetts, or if I can just say, hey, this is a green light for sure, go ahead and work there. This particular district is interesting because their petitions are basically the orders as well. Most districts, you have to submit a petition to the court or an application, and then the judge will issue his order or her order with an approval, like a seal. Well, this particular district, there is no judge's order. This is basically a seal on top of the petition that you've already filed. So it's sort of a built-in order with the petition, which is interesting because I had never seen that done before. But right here you see the seal, and it basically says that it was filed in this morning, 9:11 a.m., March the 16th. And here's the order already granting it. So there's really nothing else that I need to do except just notify the client and say, hey, we got an order, and the funds will be coming soon. Now, I did actually request that the funds be sent electronically. We will see if that happens in this particular district. There are some times where I am asking for an electronic fund transfer and they still just issue a check. So every district, again, is slightly different. But this claim is for $3,454.84. And here it is, I'm asking for 15%. That's what we agreed upon. And so my takeaway is $518.22. Now, for the regular state funds, like if you were doing regular state fees or state unclaimed funds, the fee is 10% is what you can charge. But here it is, you see I've received an order, and I do submit my documents to the court so they know what percentage I'm taking. I have not seen a judge deny my order or any order for a percentage for a finder fee. I think, again, like I keep reiterating, they're only concerned with ownership and what documents do you have to prove that you have rights to the funds. I don't think they are really concerned with the state finder fee rule. I think that's only applicable for if you're doing state funds. But if you're doing bankruptcy, they're not really concerned with what percent you're charging. And if that ever happens in a certain district, for sure, I'll come on and I'll let you know. So this percentage of 15%, I get $518.22. Now, if this comes at the end of the month, and with the other deals that I got from the state of Massachusetts, all together that will be $3,973. And I would think that that's pretty much a monthly salary, I think. Maybe places like New York or maybe California, that might not be enough. But for most areas, I would probably think of that as like a monthly salary that you could make. And this is with me doing this part-time. I have to keep reiterating that I'm only doing this sort of part-time because of all the other things that I'm doing. Every time something comes up or I'm changing things or I realize something, I have to do a video about it to let you know. And that kind of slows down my momentum a little bit with finding active deals. But again, I'm still able to do this. So I'm sure if you're able to put in that full-time effort, then you for sure would be able to get a lot more deals than I have. So I hope that this, again, is motivating to you, especially if you're in the Midwest and you're wondering, hey, can I do this in the Northern District of Ohio? Yeah, you can. I just did it from the state of Maryland. So I'm sure that you would be able to do it, especially if you know the area and you know where to go. So I will see you in the next video. I hope that this is helpful. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.